Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best neck pillows on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Embarking Neck Pillow. Ensuring both exceptional comfort and support, the embarking neck pillow is sure to be your perfect travel companion. First of all, its magnetic therapy cloth cover is filled with millions of premium microbeads, making it incredibly breathable and super soft. Then, there's the pillow's luxury memory foam, which uses 5-second return technology to promise enduring comfort. Finally, the adjustable rope lock caters to varying neck sizes, providing customized support. What we like about it: adjustable strap for a snug fit. Memory foam provides maximum comfort. Complimentary eye mask and earplugs. Fits easily into a small travel bag. What we don't like about it: maybe slightly misshapen. Number 2. World's Best Neck Pillow. The World's Best Neck Pillow is a perfect companion for any traveler looking for comfort and convenience. Not only does it provide premium comfort, but it is also environmentally conscious, boasting a filling made up of recycled fibers and packaging crafted from 100% recycled paper, a level of commitment that I'm definitely impressed by. Adding to that, its crystal fleece cover and feather soft fiber filling provide the perfect support for your head, neck, and shoulders, making sure you don't feel fatigued after a long day of travel. What we like about it: overfilled for maximum comfort. Soft and well made. Removable inner stuffing. Optional snap feature for attaching to luggage. What we don't like about it: not suitable for side sleepers. Number 3. Nap Fun Neck Pillow. It's time to grade your travel experience with the Nap Fun Neck Pillow, an essential for wanderers like me. Crafted from premium memory foam with 5-second return technology, this pillow guarantees lasting comfort and durability. As a bonus, its design ensures optimal chin support, preventing your head from uncomfortably drooping as you rest. Notably, its design flawlessly aligns with your neck and shoulders to offer exceptional comfort and support for long flights or road trips. What we like about it: properly supports the neck without sagging. Compact, easy-to-carry design. Made from premium quality memory foam. Comes with a travel-friendly storage bag. What we don't like about it: may not fit all necks. Number 4. Cabot Neck Pillow. Crafted from memory foam, the Cabot Neck Pillow is your solution for muscle fatigue on flights, road trips, and even at the office. As featured in a variety of top travel publications including CNN, Travel Plus Leisure, and People magazine, this pillow has been the top in its class for 3 years running. But what really makes this pillow stand out is its unique straps that effortlessly attach to any chair, whether it's on an airplane or in your office. This prevents slouching and ensures perfect alignment of your head and spine for maximum comfort. What we like about it: available in multiple colors. Comfortable, high-quality memory foam design. Features a quick-release clasp. What we don't like about it: isn't filled enough. Number 5. Crafty World Neck Pillow. Embrace luxury for your neck wherever you roam with the Crafty World Neck Pillow. Its thermosensitive memory foam molds seamlessly to your neck, delivering tailor-made support on the go. Even more, the velour fabric cover feels silky and soothing, making this pillow the perfect way to relax whether you're traveling, unwinding, or dozing off. Beyond its personalized fit, this neck pillow offers multiple style options too. Whether it's classic black, serene dark blue, calming light gray, or delicate light purple, you're sure to find a color that suits your taste. What we like about it: comes in 4 attractive colors. Conforming memory foam provides a snug fit. What we don't like about it: the pillow ends do not connect. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.